World Environment Day is one of the biggest events celebrated every year in the world. World Environment Day is being celebrated since 1974. It is also called as People's Day to take care of the earth and the environment. It is really important to know the way to protect our environment. For a healthy life, the environment plays an important role. It provides us air, food, etc. Someone rightly said that the difference between animal and human is that animals change themselves for the environment, but humans change the environment for themselves. The environment is like our neighborhood. Its surrounding conditions affect us and also modify development. United Nations Environment Program released a report titled The State of Finance for Nature said that to meet future climate, biodiversity and land degradation target, public and private actors will need to scale up their annual investment by at least 4 times. World Environment Day 2021 theme. The theme of World Environment Day 2021 is ecosystem restoration. It can take in various forms like growing trees, greening cities, rewilding gardens, changing diets or cleaning up rivers and coasts. This year, Pakistan will host the World Environment Day event. According to UN, it is a concern that is both urgent and existential. Biodiversity supports all life on land and below water, or we can say that it is the foundation that supports all this. Every aspect of human health is affected by it. It provides clean air, water, food, and it is a source of medicine also. Human actions like deforestation, intensified agriculture, and acceleration of global climate change has disturbed nature and pushed it beyond its limit. According to the UN, it would take about 1.6 Earth to meet the demand that humans make on nature every year. If this will continue, it poses a huge biodiversity losses that will have a severe implications for humanity as a result of loss of food and health system. The theme of World Environment Day 2019 was air pollution. Air pollution is increasing day by day and it seems complex to control it. But nothing is impossible. We should come together to combat it. And for this, it is necessary to understand different types of pollution. How it affects our health and environment will help us to step towards improving the air around us. We can't stop breathing, but we can do something to improve the quality of air that we breathe. Around 92% of the people worldwide do not breathe clean air. World Environment Day History. Since 1974, World Environment Day has been started celebrating as an annual event on every 5th June to raise the importance of healthy and green environment in the human life. To solve the issue of the environment by implementing some positive environmental actions by government, organization and individual as a whole. There was a turning point in the year 1972. The development of international environmental politics, that is the first major conference on the issue of environment, was convened under the United States from 5th to 16 June in Stockholm. It was also known as Conference on the Human Environment or the Stockholm Conference. Its aim was to commonly look into the challenges of preserving and enhancing the human environment. Then on 15 December in the same year, the General Assembly adopted a resolution designing 5th June as World Environment Day. Further, another resolution was adopted by the General Assembly on 15 December that led to the creation of the United Nations Environment Program. First time World Environment Day was celebrated in the year 1974 with the slogan Only One Earth. Why is World Environment Day celebrated? It is necessary to address environmental issues like deforestation, increasing global warming, wastage and losses of food, pollution, etc. Throughout the world, several campaigns are organized with a particular theme and slogan to bring effectiveness around the world. This day is celebrated to successfully get carbon neutrality, reducing greenhouse effect, focusing on forest management, planting on degraded land, energy production through solar sources, mangroves, developing new drainage system, etc. A study conducted by Allen Foundation on 2015 says that around 6.3 billion tons of plastic waste has been generated in the world so far, and around 90% of this will not decompose for at least 500 years. Microplastics or teeny fragments has been found in soil, tap water, bottled water, beer, and even in the air we breathe, according to the scientists. The main objective behind celebrating World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated to spread awareness among common people about the issue of the environment. Encourage common people for different society and communities to actively participate in the celebration as well as become an active agent in developing environment safety measures. Encourage people to make their nearby surroundings safe and clean to enjoy safer, cleaner and more prosperous future.